far, we have honed our written communication skills and learned how to adapt our messages to various audiences and purposes. Today, we are stepping into the spotlight to conquer another essential skill, delivering presentations that captivate and inspire. Whether you're pitching a new idea to your boss, presenting a report to your team, or speaking at a conference, your ability to deliver compelling presentations can open doors and propel your career. So how do you transform from a nervous presenter to a confident speaker? Let's break it down into 3 key elements: structure, delivery, and visuals. Number 1, structuring your presentation, building a solid framework. A well-structured presentation is like a sturdy house. It has a solid foundation, a logical flow, and a clear purpose. Here is a simple framework to guide you. Introduction. Grab your audience's attention from the very start. Use a compelling story or a surprising statistic or a thought-provoking question. Clearly state your topic and what the audience can expect to learn. Body. This is where you dive into the details. Organize your content into logical sections, each with a clear heading. Use a transition to smoothly guide your audience from one point to the next. Conclusion. Summarize your main points and leave the audience with a memorable takeaway. This could be a call to action, a final thought maybe, or a powerful quote. Number 2, delivery. Bringing your presentation to life. Your delivery is how you bring your presentation to life. It's about more than just reading your slides. It's about connecting with your audience and conveying your message with passion and enthusiasm. Here are some tips. Voice. Vary your pitch, pace, and volume to keep the audience engaged. Speak clearly and project your voice so everyone can hear you. Body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use gestures to emphasize your point. Avoid fidgeting or pacing nervously. Enthusiasm. Show your passion for your topic. Your energy will be contagious and draw your audience in. Practice. Rehearse your presentation multiple times. This will help you feel more confident and reduce your nervousness. Number 3, visuals, enhancing your message. Visual aids like slides, charts, and images can enhance your presentation and make your message more memorable. But remember, they should complement your presentation, not overshadow it. Here are some tips for using your visuals effectively. Keep it simple. Avoid cluttered slides with too much text. Use bullet points, clear font, and a high-quality image. Less is more. Don't overload your presentation with visuals. Use them strategically to illustrate your key points. Be creative. Use visuals to tell a story or evoke an emotion. A well-placed image or animation can leave a lasting impression. Overcoming presentation anxiety. Many people experience anxiety before and during presentations. It's normal to feel nervous, but don't let it hold you back. Here are a few tips to manage your nerves. Prepare thoroughly. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will feel. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, visualization, and meditation can help you calm your nerves. Focus on your audience. Shift your focus from your own anxiety to the needs of your audience. Start strong. Begin with a confident opening to set the tone for the rest of your presentation. The power of practice. The more you practice your presentation skills, the more confident and effective you'll become. Look for opportunities to speak in front of others, whether it's at a team meeting, a network event, or a local Toastmasters club. Remember, every presentation is a chance to learn and grow.